Hello everyone, we are back and today we are going to tell you about डेंगू फीवर। डेंगू क्या होता है और क्या डेंगू के सिम्टम्स होते हैं और कैसे हम डेंगू की बीमारी से निजात पा सकते हैं। हम आपको डेंगू से बचने के लिए कुछ घरेलू नुस्खे भी बताएंगे जो आपको आराम से डेंगू से बचने में मदद कर सकते हैं। What is डेंगू? Dengue is a viral infection transmitted by the bite of an infected female Aedes mosquito. There are 4 distinct serotypes of the dengue virus: Den 1, Den 2, Den 3 and Den 4. Symptoms appear in 3 to 14 days, average 4 to 7 days after the infective bite. Dengue fever is a flu-like illness that affects infants, young children and adults. Dengue fever is a specific syndrome that tends to affect children under 10 years of age, which can cause abdominal pain, bleeding and affect the circulatory system. तो चलिए आज जानते हैं कि डेंगू की किस तरह से पहचान की जा सकती है। डेंगू फीवर symptoms includes a drop in platelet count. It doesn't spread from person to person. The most common symptoms of dengue are sudden high fever, severe headaches, fatigue, exhaustion, severe joint and muscle pains, nausea, वोमिटिंग एंड स्किन रैश। डेंगू होने पर बॉडी पर रेड स्पॉट भी हो जाते हैं जो सबसे पहले पैरों से स्टार्ट होकर पूरी बॉडी में फैल जाते हैं। हाउ टू प्रिवेंट डेंगू फीवर? डॉक्टर्स कैन डायग्नोस डेंगू इन्फेक्शन विद अ ब्लड टेस्ट। देयर आर नो पर्टिकुलर मेडिसिन्स और एंटीबायोटिक्स टू क्योर द सेम सिंस इट्स कॉज्ड बाय अ वायरस, बट यू आर एडवाइज्ड टू रेस्ट एंड ड्रिंक plenty of fluids. Currently there is no vaccine for dengue. We bring you some of the most effective home remedies as shared by the health experts and doctors. Giloy. It is a very important herb in Ayurvedic. It helps in maintaining the metabolic rate, strengthening the immune system and protect your body against infection, explains Dr. Gargi Sharma from New Delhi. She recommends that you can boil the stems and serve it as a herbal drink. You can also add few tulsi leaves in the drink. Papaya leaves. It helps in increasing platelet count and it helps in reducing the symptoms of fever like body ache, chills, feeling low, getting tired easily and nausea. Says Dr. Gargi, you can crush the leaves and consume or drink the juice which helps in flushing out the toxins. Golden seal. It's a natural antiviral capacity, can essentially cure dengue fever in a matter of days. Turmeric. It is known to boost the metabolism and it helps in making the healing process faster. You can consume turmeric along with milk. Tulsi leaves and black pepper. Dr. Simran Saini from New Delhi suggests to consume a drink made by boiling tulsi leaf and adding about 2 grams of black pepper to it. This drink helps in building your immunity and acts as an antibacterial element. Barley grass. It has the unique ability to significantly increase the body's blood platelet count by stimulating the production of more blood cells. You can drink barley tea or eat barley grass directly and see a rapid increase in platelet count. Water. Drink as much water as possible to keep the body hydrated, which will also help to ease symptoms like headaches and muscle cramps, both of which are exacerbated by dehydration. Neem leaves. It is commonly prescribed for a variety of ailments and dengue fever is no exception. Drinking the subsequent brew has been shown to increase both blood platelet count and white blood cell count, 2 of the most dangerous side effects of the virus. Orange juice. It helps to promote antibodies of the immune system, increase urination and the release of toxins, and stimulate cellular repair due to vitamin C's crucial role in the creation of collagen. Basil leaves. It is known to be an important immune boosting technique and has long been recommended in Ayurvedic medicine for the treatment of dengue fever.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe us and share this video on social media.